Today I'll be talking about how to soften strong hair. My hair is very, very wonderful. If they tell me I'll even be able to carry natural hair, I won't agree because my hair, once you lose it, it becomes very strong. So what do I do? Every morning I use rice water. When I pour in rice water, the hair will calm down. I'll be able to comb it. If I don't put it rice water to be kokoroko, you know what I mean in Nigerian parlance, it no comb will be able to enter inside. But I've carried my natural hair for like a year this year, and I actually like it. It's turning natural. And yeah, to reduce chemicals on my hair and actually have natural look. So you can also do check it out. Rice water is very easy to make. You can just when you finish parboiling your rice, when you wash out the rice, the starch content, don't pour it away. Just pour it in a strainer and use it on your hair to soften your hair, make it soft like this. Thank you.